The first of the classes in aromatherapy and holistic wellness has begun. It was very wonderful. We had a great time. These are some of the items that were talked about. We talked about the teas. We talked about the all-natural soaps, the brain, and how oils help the brain, the body, and how oils help the body. Some that have different types of pains and so forth. We talked about the ayruveda. We talked about the teas. We had going the diffusers. We talked about the things of the body. And here we had the different oils and the benefits of them. We had a very nice, nutritious snack. And I took pictures of it and took them the wrong way, so I won't be able to show them to you. But we had a very enjoyable time. Meet us next time for classes on alternative medicine, how you can stay well God's way.